Hi team. Today I'm going to sync one bucket to another bucket. Means in a different account. How to do that? I'm just doing. Suppose it's my destination account. Destination account is here and the source account is here. Okay. So I'm just copy all the data from the private bucket S3 to the source bucket is bktdms test1. Okay, so I'm going to do that, and let me following thing I'll share you in the description box, so no need to worry how to do that. So first of all, I'm just going to check with the private bucket. Okay, I'm just adding up policies, like here the permissions and the bucket policy. I'm just going to add some policies what I have created here. Let me do that. Here's the account number of the destination account. Okay, and here is here is the source bucket name. So is that here? I'm just copying it. Okay, I'm just copying it. Let me do that, and just going to the source bucket. Okay, and here is a account number of destination bucket, and it's a source bucket name. Don't be confused, it's a source bucket name. What I have here is, okay, don't be confused, it's a source bucket name. Okay, just I'm going to save it. It will save. Okay, and let me it's done from the it's done from the source side. Okay, means where you are copying from the data, like source is anywhere. Okay, like here you have done your work, no need to worry about it, just adding these things. Okay, and now I'm going to do on the destination account. Let me go in that. Okay, here you want to add one policies. Okay, I'm just going into I'm user. Okay, and users here, how many users are there? I'm just want to delete it. Okay, let me add one user. Let me add one policies first. Okay, create policy, JSON based. I'm just creating a JSON based policy. Let me describe whatever is here. Okay, uh, here is a JSON what I have put here. It's a private bucket, it's a source. Okay, where the source coming from, and it's a destination bucket name. What in the destination account I'm just setting is in destination account. This one, don't be confused, it's on destination account. Okay, I'm just adding as a policy, so I'm just putting here. Okay, I'm just putting S3 S1 NC policy, like Paul, putting the same name here. Okay, create policy, and now this policy is going to be created. Okay, that's enough. I'm just creating only a copy process user. I'm just adding a user. I'm adding a user like S3 copy user USCR. Okay, I'm just going to access the programmatically access. Okay, next I'm going to attach a policy. Not I'm attaching any groups. Okay, I'm attaching a existing policy. Just S3 what I have added here, S3 sync pol. We have added now. It's adding with JSON file. No need to put any keywords. Next, and then create. You got it. Download the S3 credentials. Okay, let me download it, and once I'm going to open it, yeah, it's open. You have to download, if you are using Windows, then you have to download AWS. One moment, just be AWS CLI Windows. Okay, you just need to install from here. If your machine is 62-bit and the 32-bit, you just need to install it, anyone's, whatever your machine is, 64-bit or the 32 bits. Okay, and once you installed, okay, let me open cmd. Okay, I have just opened cmd, and you have to pass AWS configure. 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 Once you hit it, actually I have already configured, but I'm just adding a new user. So if you are not adding any user, then that star is not coming. Then you have to pass. Let me do that. Yes, I got it. Yes, it's access ID. What I have here, let me copy it. I have copied, and the access ID is copied, and once I check with another things like this, and this will copied, and again the reason is, what's the reason is, let me check what's the reason. By default it's a app south. What you have, let me do that. App south, done. No need to worry about the default format, anything what you want. Okay, default output format. And let me run that command. How we are going to, this is the source bucket name, okay, and the destination bucket name, source origin, and the destination origin. Okay, let me copy that and just hitting here. The files should be copied. Let me check. But here some, let me check if the file is available. Any files are available? Yeah, one file is available. Let me check inside this. Yes, file is available. Now you can see the file. Let me delete it again if the existing is not there. So I'm just deleting it. Refresh it. Okay, and let me update. Let me upload more files, like add files, like, let me check any images, anything what I have, like this. Okay, I'm just adding an XLS file. Next, and upload. Okay, I have two files here, and you can see my another bucket, the destination bucket. Isn't any file. Let me re-execute this command, and what happened? Check. It shows two file copied, like import XLS and another thing. You can check it here. Yep, it's working fine. Hope you can do that. If you have any issues, please drop a message. If you feel free to contact me. Okay, to just drop a message. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.